is the best thing I've ever cooked on a shovel. This is the only thing I've ever cooked on a shovel. Apart from some bacon I once tried to cook and that fell into the fire. What a privilege it is to be down here at the Midhants Railway to see this machine back in steam. And actually, of course, Canadian Pacific, Can Pac, and cook a pancake on Can Pac. I mean, what's more ridiculous than that? Also, what's more perfect? Cooking a continental breakfast on this machine that was built as part of the war effort in the Second World War to save us from those dark days of war. And actually built not very far away from here, largely by women at Eastleigh Works while the husbands were away at war, keeping their jobs going at Eastleigh Works. And as a railway historian, this is not just a piece of history to me, this is very much living history. It's here and now, because this has got involved 6 apprentices over the years. It supports jobs and creates livelihoods for people and generates tourism in this area. And you can cook English breakfasts very easily on those shovels. It's not quite so easy to get to a temperature where you can cook a pancake, it turns out. I didn't realise that, and I made a right hash of that, I think it's fair to say. I never thought I'd be tossing a pancake on the footplate of Can Pac. And the countdown is now on. This is a part of the landscape once again, hauling passenger trains, and I can't wait to be on one of those trains. Well, I've heard of doing an English breakfast on the footplate, but what can be more continental than doing a continental breakfast on the Canadian Pacific on a merchant navy locomotive built for World War II? Oh, look at that! Look at that, look! I mean, it's more a cake than a pancake. Needs one to be expert, I think. Where's the fireman?